Hello everyone, this is Ross with Market Traders Daily, and this is today's video analysis for June 5th, 2020. Today we're looking at the USDCHF, the US dollar, versus the Swiss franc for today's trade analysis. First off, before I look at the chart, it's important to recognize that about an hour from the recording of this video, there's significant news out of the U.S. Non-farm payrolls coming out of the U.S. will have or potentially have an impact on the US dollar, which of course will impact this particular currency pair that we're looking at because it has the US dollar in it. So just note that could change everything I'm talking about here on the dollar franc. We also have Canadian employment data coming out. Also noting that there are OPEC meetings tomorrow over the weekend, and that could impact the dollar CAD as it impacts crude oil. So just keep that in mind if you're trading the dollar CAD or the dollar franc today. Looking here at the dollar franc, the daily time frame, we've been kind of range bound for the past couple of months, going back to March, really focusing in on the black box here. And the right hand side of the chart has been bouncing around. You can see the blue and the red trend lines bouncing in there. In recent days, the dollar has been falling pretty significantly, which has given the dollar franc a significant fall as well. Finally, after a long time now, breaking through the bottom of that range, we're underneath the 0.96 level. That pink zone at the bottom of the black box and range, 0.95, 90, 96.05. For the past several days, we found support there, and now we're underneath it and looking at that as resistance. Let's zoom it in on that a little bit more. There it is. You can see the red trend line, the black trend line, downtrend, falling slowly up here at the top and now more significantly at the bottom. Again, previous 4 days here finding support at the pink zone, just like it did over here on the left at 96.05, 95.90. Yesterday breaking through it, finding support down here 95.50 area, now coming back up. So the key point to this is we're in a downtrend still. That hasn't changed. Even though today's rising a bit, we're still in a downtrend. So I will continue to focus my efforts in that until something changes, which means I'm looking for the short side trade as it approaches the 0.96 level again, underneath there, 95.90, 96. We're looking back into the pink zone as resistance now. Was support all the way back here to the left. Now we're looking at that as resistance. Rally back gives us opportunity for the breakout trade. Rally back gives us a better risk reward for a breakout trade. Stop loss, if you decide to take short at the pink zone, will be just above the pink zone. That way we limit the impact to our trading account if the market breaks back above it. Again, news might cause you to hesitate for a moment before getting into this, but after 8:30, I think all bets are off. If there's still a bear market, we're looking for it to stay under the pink zone and take the short. The risk right now is that it gets back above. I don't think there's any good reason to buy prior to the news, and even after the news, I think the only real reason I buy and go long is that it breaks back above 96.05 and back above the pink zone. Only real reason to go long right now. Just a real quick peek at that dollar. I'm going to look at this chart right here. This is the US dollar index. You can see what's been happening over the past several days. It broke through the bottom of its range several days ago, just continues to push lower. It's an easy chart to see that. I think there's room to go. I think easily we can see this back down to 96 or even further down towards 95. So plenty of room to go. Hasn't had really a good pullback in a while, so that's possible. Back towards 97, 97.30 or so. Possible we could see a pullback on the dollar, but right now it's a downtrend. So that again leads me to short side trades for the dollar franc. 4 hour time frame. Look at this. Found support down around 95.55, coming back up now 95.90. Remember that's going to be our resistance as it approaches 95.90 and the pink zone. We're looking for short side trades after the breakout. The risk is a break back above the pink zone. Let's just real quick take a peek at our volume indicator. It is currently pushing bullish. You can see that on the 5-minute time frame. Currently pushing bullish, got back above the green zone, pushing towards the pink zone, but that's a good thing. I like the fact that it's pushing towards the pink zone. Gives us a better short or sell opportunity. Lower risk, higher reward, sell high is what we're looking to do today for the dollar franc.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.